Hello students, this is Science Grade 4 and the lesson topic is all kinds of magnet. All kinds of magnet. Remember, in our previous lesson, I talked about what a magnet is and also what a magnetic field is. Since you have a knowledge of what a magnet is and also what magnetic fields are, let's look at the kinds of magnet that people use in each and every day for different purposes. So people use different magnets for different purposes. So what you have to know is that not all magnets have the same shape and sizes. Not all magnets have the same shape and sizes. So some magnets are round, some are bell-shaped, some are shaped like a ring, like that of a speaker. A speaker has got a magnet and that magnet has a hole at the center. So that is a ring magnet. And some magnets are shaped like a horseshoe. The other thing you have to know is that some magnets are stronger while others are weak. Some are strong and others are weak. So we'll find out which magnets are stronger and which ones are weak as we go along. Basically, there are 6 kinds of magnet. There are 6 kinds of magnet. So we are going to look at these 6 kinds of magnet, starting with a bar magnet. So a bar magnet is this. So this is the bar magnet. It's something that looks like a bar and it has the North Pole and the South Pole. Remember I talked about this. Every magnet has got a South Pole and a North Pole. So bar magnet is something that looks like a bar, and the second magnet is ring magnet. So ring magnet are mostly used in making speakers, radio speakers. So there is a ring here and this is the magnet. It's called a ring because of the way it looks. It is called a bar because of the way it looks. The third type is called U-shaped magnet. So this is the shape. If you can see the shape, really you see that the shape is that of the letter U. So letter U is this one and this shape is the same as this shape. That's why it is called a U-shaped magnet. And the fourth one is circular magnet. So circular magnet is from the word circle. So a circle looks like this. Forget about my diagram. So a circle looks like this or like a coin, right? So circular means something which is round. So this magnet is called circular magnet. And the other kind of magnet is cylindrical magnet. Cylindrical is from the word cylinder. Cylinder is something that looks like this. It is round in shape, but it is very long. The length is a bit long, and the width has a circular shape, a shape which is like a circle. And a good example is the shape of maybe say a bottle, but that bottle should have both ends which are equal. A bottle having both ends equal, so that is a cylinder. So this is cylindrical in shape. Cylindrical in shape. And the last kind of magnet is horseshoe magnet. It's something which look like a bar magnet, but it is not. So this is the horseshoe magnet. So my question is, out of all these magnets, which magnets are stronger and which magnets are weaker? So let's talk about the strongest magnet. The strongest magnet. So for you to know that this magnet is stronger and this magnet is weaker, you need to have all these kinds of magnet, and you need to have a ruler and also some paper clips. So paper clips, all the kinds of magnet, ruler. So you can use all these materials to come up with a table like this one. So here, this side, types of magnet, and this side, distance from magnet. Distance from magnet. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you have a magnet, get your paper clip, put them away from the magnet, and try to bring those paper clip close to the magnet while you are measuring the distance, and see where those clips will get attracted to the magnet. So you have to record the distance from where the paper clip has been attracted to the magnet. So if you do that, you will come up with a table like this one. These are the values which were corrected when some of the students did a similar experiment. So distance from the magnet, we have, like for circular, I have for cylindrical 2, horseshoe 7, bar 2, ring 5, and U-shaped 3. So from this, it shows that if you have a circular magnet and you have a paper clip, that paper clip will experience attraction force from the circular magnet at a distance of 4. Meaning to say, at a distance of 5, that paper clip will not get attracted to the circular magnet. But at 4 is when this paper clip will get attracted to circular magnet. The same applies to all the magnets. So it's like horseshoe 7, bar 2, ring 5, U-shaped 3. So using this table, which magnet is the strongest? Which magnet is the strongest and which magnet is the weakest? So let's see. Here there are questions, and the first question says, which magnet is the strongest, and explain your answer. So I have already answered the questions, and the answer says the magnet which is the strongest is horseshoe magnet. Why? Because it can attract a paperclip at a long distance. Is it correct? Let's see. This is the horseshoe magnet, and this horseshoe magnet is able to attract an object from a distance of 7 centimeters. Is able to attract an object from a distance of 7 centimeters, meaning to say this horseshoe magnet is very strong. And which one is the weakest? Is cylindrical magnet or bar magnet? Why? Because it needs a small distance to attract a paperclip. So let's check on the table. Like cylindrical and bar, you see, all of them are having a value of 2. Here 2, here 2, meaning to say they can only attract an object at a distance of 2 or below. So meaning to say their magnetic fields are not as stronger as the magnetic fields of horseshoe. So the last question is, order the magnets from strongest to weakest. So this is the strongest. The strongest is this one, horseshoe. The weak. Then after we have this ring. Then thereafter we have circular and U-shaped. Then last we have cylindrical and bar magnet. So that marks the end of the lesson. If you have some questions, you can ask on our edu page. So have a nice day. Thank you.